Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into video editing with a step-by-step tutorial. 1. How to install CapCut on macOS. CapCut is a fantastic video editing software that's easy to use and perfect for creating stunning videos. So let's get started. So first open your Chrome browser. You will need it to download CapCut, so make sure it's up and running. In Chrome browser, go to the CapCut website by typing in the URL into the address bar. Once you are on the CapCut website, you find a Download for Mac button. Click on it to start downloading in CapCut installer. After the download is complete, you will typically find the CapCut installer in your Downloads folder. Go ahead and open the Downloads folder. In the Downloads folder, you should see the CapCut installer file. Double-click on it to begin the installation process. Then, a pop-up window will appear asking if you want to install CapCut. Simply drag and drop. CapCut will now begin installing on your Mac. Wait for the installation process to complete. It may take a few moments. Once the installation is finished, you will find the CapCut application in your Applications folder. Go to the Application folder and double-click on CapCut to open it. Congratulations! You have successfully installed CapCut on your macOS. You can now start editing your videos and exploring the various features this software offers. That's it for today's tutorial on how to install CapCut on macOS. Video editing has never been easier with this powerful tool. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more video editing tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or encounter any issues during the installation, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.